A very good afternoon to all. Education is the most powerful weapon which you can use to change the world. With these lines, I, Sapna Dhiman, Assistant Professor, on behalf of Delhi Pharmaceutical Sciences and Research University and Society for Alternatives to Animal Experiments, SCI India, welcome today's chief guest, Dr. Y.K. Gupta, President, SCI India, guest of honor, Dr. Raisuddin, Vice President of SCI India, Dr. Akbar Shah, General Secretary, SCI India, Dr. Vijaypal Singh, Vice President, SCI India, advisory members of SCI India, Dr. Thomas, Dr. Hajime Kojima, Dr. Christian Pennyworsen, Dr. Ankita Pandey, Senior Policy Advisor, PETA India. We would also like to extend our welcome to live members and executive committee members of SCI India who joined us virtually through Zoom platform. We also welcome our delegates around the world who joined us through YouTube link for the inaugural ceremony of 4th Annual Conference of SCI India with the theme Latest Trends in Organ Culture and Organ-on-Chip Technologies. I also welcome directors, deans, professors, teaching, administrative, and supportive staff of DIPSR University. Now I request Professor R.K. Goel, Honorable Vice Chancellor DIPSRU, to felicitate Dr. Raisuddin, Vice President, SCI India. I also request Professor C.R. Patil, Organizing Secretary, and Dr. Mukesh Sir to kindly join. Now I again request Sir to kindly felicitate Dr. Ankita Pandey, and I also request Dr. Anu, Dr. Sachin, Dr. Ajit to kindly join. Thank you. I request all the respected dignitaries on dais to please step forward to begin the lamp lighting ceremony. Deepa Jyotir Parbrahma, Deepa Jyotir Janardhana, Deepo Harthu Me Papam, Deepa Jyotir Namastute. Madam, please. Thank you. Now I requested Dean Academics Professor Geeta Agrawal to brief about the DIPSR University.
Good afternoon, everyone. Honorable Vice Chancellor, Professor Ramesh K. Goyal, Professor Y. K. Gupta ji, Chief Guest of the Day, Dr. M. A. Akbar Shah, Dr. Raisuddin, Dr. Vijay Pal Singh, Dr. Ankita, all dignitaries, guests, speakers, my dear colleagues, and all the participants present online and in offline mode. I'm pleased to share with you all the academic and research activities of our university, DIPSRU. Dr. Sapna, please allow me to share my screen.
Yes.
Yeah, is it visible to everyone?
Yes, ma'am, it's visible.
Yeah, thank you so much. The university DIPSRU is the first pharmacy university of the country. Slides are not moving here. The university started in 2015 with the legacy of more than 56 years of DIPSR. From 2015, the university is growing and we are adding many departments and courses in the university under the leadership of our Honorable Vice Chancellor. In 2021, we have added various courses and skill courses, including skill courses. And from this year, we are adding 10 new courses in the university. So this shows how the university is growing. Just a minute. About the university, if you see, we are 100% grant-in-aid university from the state government. The university is running various courses, including B.Pharm, M.Pharm, and M.Pharm with 13 specializations, including physiotherapy, Masters in Hospital Management, Public Administration, MBA, Sports Pharmacy, and skill courses. Along with it, university has its own incubation foundation with BioNest Center, Precision Medicine and Pharmacy Center. We are also running various skill courses which are collaborated with DTT, and the university is guided by various experts, including strong General Council and BOG members. If you see the General Council members, we are having our Anil Bejal Sirji, that is Lieutenant Governor of Government of NCT of Delhi, who is the Chairman of General Council. We also have Shridhar Dwivedi sir, along with experts from the industry and IPC who are guiding us continuously. Similarly, in BOG, we are having representatives from the industry, academia, and various research organizations. At present, university has 9 units, which includes DIPSR, School of Pharmaceutical Sciences, School of Allied Health Sciences, School of Physiotherapy, Sports Science Department, Incubation Foundation, Meditation and Yoga Center, World Class Skill Center, and then Bio Incubator Center. University had various centers in its previous year, but in the last 3 years, 4 centers are added, which includes BioNest Center, Precision Medicine Center, Meditation and Yoga Center, and Center for Advanced Formulation and Technology. Center for Precision Medicine and Pharmacy, it is supported by DTT with grant of more than 5 CR. The main purpose of establishment of this center in the university is the research in the area of drug development and drug discovery. The center is going to support the research and training in various courses and for various equipments, and it will promote innovations in the area of drug development, diagnostics, treatment, and clinical trials. Center for Meditation and Yoga Sciences, it is inaugurated in 2021 only. It is the initiative of Delhi government, where the center was inaugurated by our Honorable Chief Minister Kejriwal ji in June 2021. And under this center, we are running diploma as well as certificate courses. DIPSRU Innovation and Incubation Foundation, where company was incorporated in 2017, and further it is supported by Bionest. Incubation Foundation was established with the vision to be recognized as prestigious Indian incubation center in healthcare, pharma, and wellness center. And we are working in this area. The area is not limited to formulation development, but it includes all the areas related to healthcare, which is packaging, data solutions, community health, wound healing, biomedical devices, diagnostics, formulations, etc. This center, as I have already mentioned, is supported by Bionest, which is funded by. We are having more than 18 incubatees, and at present 10 incubatees are active. All other incubatees, they are graduated, and more than 6 have got success through our incubation foundation. We are also supported by various companies with the CRS activities. Recently, we have got grant for Center for Advanced Formulation Technology by DSIR, DST, where the main purpose for the development of this center is to provide one-stop solution for the advanced formulation development. And this is going to be one of the best center in we can say in the North India, where we are going to support MSMEs. As per the mandate of the center, we need to register more than 100 MSMEs with this center, and we have started this work in the university. We have signed various MOUs with the industry, and we are conducting and doing various projects. This center is going to support various sectors, including pharmaceuticals, herbal, biopharmaceuticals, nutraceuticals, and cosmeceuticals. And it will be supported by pharma companies, research institutions, and we will provide training to students, startups, etc. The strategy of this center, that is, we are already having Bionest Center, BABE Center, Precision Center in the university. And with this center, we will be able to provide the one-stop solution for the development of the formulation, which will include from the drug discovery to development and formulation development, and all the studies including preclinical and clinical testing for the developed formulation and new drug molecules. In terms of research activities, university is growing and again doing continuous efforts. The faculty and students, they are publishing papers, of course, in good journals. Faculty is getting various awards, conference participations, and conduct of various conferences in the university is a regular activity. Various patents are being filed by the faculty. 12 patents were filed 2018 to 2020, but after that, more than 6 patents are again filed by the faculty. In terms of research grant, university is continuously getting the grant. In 2021 only, from Jan to December, we have got more than 12 CR of grant from the various government agencies in addition to other funds that we are getting from the government. DIPSRU always connects through conferences, workshops, QIPs, and guest lectures with various research organizations, international and national level organizations, where our students participate in all these activities. Faculty is continuously being trained in the university through various QIP and programs and FDPs. This is again a very interesting slide where you can see the result of GPAT. The students of university, they are getting, they are qualified every year in the GPAT, and in this year again more than 50 students qualified GPAT. And if we see the percentage, we have found that we are being the first one in the country where maximum number of students have qualified GPAT. Even the first and fourth rank in the GPAT was grabbed by our students. Placements, more than 80% of the students of the university every year get the placement. If we see world's top 10 companies, out of them 6 companies, they visit our campus every year, and students are being placed in these type of companies. We are not collaborating with companies only for the placements, but in terms of trainings, collaborative projects, we are working in this area too. The university is of course, the first university in the country, but we are also working so that we are going to be first in various areas. We are having first ocular pharmacology lab in the Pharmacy University. Our Honorable Vice Chancellor was conferred upon honorary professorship by the Stavropol Medical State University. We are also running BSc Honors in Sports Sciences, which is again one of its type of course. Skill development courses in sports university is running, and various students are being trained under this Center for the Skill Development. Products are being launched through the university. Similarly, university has also worked in the area of pharmacovigilance and is continuing with that. This is the launch, that product was launched by the university. And now again, under the leadership of our Honorable Vice Chancellor, product, a herbal formulation has been developed, which is Coroquil Zinc formulation, which has been developed with the collaboration with Arabli Biodiversity Park and companies including Remedium and Jami, where the team of the university has worked with these companies, biodiversity, DDA biodiversity, for the development of this formulation. And this formulation has been found to be effective for the treatment of COVID-19 and post-COVID effects too. University has signed MOUs with various national and international organizations, hospitals, industry, but all the MOUs have been signed with the outcome, that is either we are doing the projects or we have completed some projects with all the organizations where we have signed the MOU. Internationally, university is again collaborated, where the university has participated in various events and again working on various collaborative projects. In DIPSRU, the work is not, we are not limited for the publications and doing various research and through PhD and MPharm students, but the main target is development, where our students and faculty have shown that these products can be developed as the product of the research in the university. In the COVID-19 pandemic time, these various products were developed, and we are very hopeful for our new formulation, Coroquil Zinc, in the coming time. Thank you everyone.
Thank you, ma'am.